Alright.
Alright.
YouTube video 2. James putting together a pre-assembled lawnmower.
It's built.
Sorry I missed the first 2 seconds. He took it out of the box. So we got probably about another hour. Check this out. This is pretty awesome. Went to the store to get a lawnmower, and we got a weed eater. It's a high-powered weed eater with a handle. So we got it like that. There's Liz. Say hi to all your YouTube fans, Liz. Ah, wow. There's James. Boo. This guy is so gay. Why does he keep making videos? He's got an oral fixation. He's got a cigarette in his mouth. There's always something in there. Probably have a wrench in there in a little bit. Oh, did everybody see that? He just assembled the handle.
Move it.
I am moving it. There's construction going on. What's going on? Oh, break dancing. What?
Oh, that just goes into the... Okay.
Checking the manual for the pre-assembled lawnmower. Got any extra parts yet?
Just one.
Oh, we don't need that.
Fuck you.
Oh, can't figure it out. It's gonna be tricky. It's pre-assembled. What are you doing? Let me see.
Getting it from under here.
It goes right there. That's where it sits.
Yeah, but not the way it was. It was
No,
like,
you put it in right here. No, on this side. Just like that.
just like it was?
Yeah.
Almost.
Oh yeah, like that. There you go.
There we are.
We did it.
Well, you can maybe put my weed away for this.
That's awesome. Oh, burn something. Burn something.
Yeah.
What? You don't need a knife? Look at that. See that side shot? Oh, no more tape. That's nice.
Alright. So, the thing I'm unclear on is how to mix this oil. This is 4-cycle oil. I've always used 2-cycle.
Uh-oh. Gonna double it up?
Maybe. I was wondering.
Double it up?
If that means use twice as much or half as much, or if it means nothing like
Double it up or use it half as long and turn it inside out. Same thing, a little different. Nope, we didn't get that one. We didn't get that one.
No,
Oh, there's no pictures. Urgh. Fire this puppy up.
Hold on, man. I gotta figure out the oil to gas ratio.
I think you just said it was 4 to 1.
No. 4-cycle oil is what it came with. Used to using 2-cycle oil, and that goes 15 to 1, which is like 2 ounces to a gallon of gas.
Alright guys, I'm gonna figure this oil out. It'll take another 3 hours.
Good.
And then maybe I'll fucking show this puppy started up. Dual exhaust going. Alright. Alright guys. Put the oil in it. Some gas. I'm gonna fire it up. Raising the wheels a little. You want them all in the same. I'd raise them all. That's pretty fucking low. Close up.
Bubble wrap, Uncle?
Huh?
You have any bubble wrap?
Get them all out. Miranda, say hi. There you go.
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on. Watch out for that rock right there. Hold on. Is there a choke on there? There's a little red knob in there.
Well, that's a primer.
Yeah.
I was messing with that before.
Just do it a couple times.
Yeah.
There you go. Do you got an actual choke on the mower now?
This is probably it. Alright, that probably works with...
Start it up. You want me to start it?
No.
Is the spark plug on tight? Pull the spark plug off, see if there's anything covering it. Check the inside of the...
It's good.
Okay. You just gotta put more oomph to it.
Oh, you're gonna need gas to get through it.
Oh yeah. Off of the rock, really low. Cut some of this big stuff here. Works pretty good, huh?
Yeah. And it's very light, so it's easy to...
Alright, that was James's second debut. Here, flex on him. I didn't get that. I didn't get that. You gotta do it.
You missed it.
I'm not gonna leave you alone. Flex on him. I'll turn it off. Ooh, did you see that?
Did you see that?
There you go. That's...
High-ass Briggs & Stratton lawnmower, powered by marijuana.
Following you.
Come on. Pump it.
Pull it hard.
Pump it 3
No,
times.
you don't need to pump it.
Oh.
It's already pumped. There's good.
Do it like that other
Close it. Grab the thing and give it a grip.
That's right.
You got it. Here, lift. Go like that. Now do it.
You really want to
Here,
put
let me try it.
So I'm gonna let Dan do it.
Alright.
Hold it.
Thank you. that what she is? I don't think I'm very good at starting it, Jimmy.
Alright, try again.
Okay, so you'll just push it down the line once I give it to you, okay? And hold this down the whole time.
Leave it there.
Lift the hair. Let me do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, Miranda. Like this. Here, look up. You lift it up. Look up. Look up. Pull it to the slack spot. See how the slack stops there?
So hold that down. All right, Miranda. You mowed the whole lawn.
Hey.